important part of what gives a city's character and a sense of community is its history. The historical community buildings, the landscapes, and also the neighborhoods embodies the intentions, assumptions of the people who lived, worked for them. They have stories to tell about what the community was and what it is, and from them we learn what we are now. Preserving those stories can be an important part of building a healthy community. Old buildings have aesthetics and related with the cultural aspects of it also help in building a community. And talking about old buildings, we have various construction methods and unique materials which were used, such as hard pine, brick, and marble. They may have intricate detailing and features that you can't find anymore, such as the colored glassworks, the decorative facades, and copper linings. There are 4 elements of historic preservation. Number 1, preservation. It is preserving a place as it is in the present. It assumes that all historic features, materials, etc. Number 2, rehabilitation. Fixes up deteriorated historic property, often for a use other than its original one. Number 3, restoration. It means putting a building or landscape back the way it was originally or at a historically significant time in its past. Number 4, reconstruction. It is the creation of a historically accurate copy of either a specific historic property that no longer exists or an example of one from a chosen historic period. A community that respects history respects itself, so that preservation of the history through the preservation of sites helps the community to understand its strengths and provide a better living for its residents.